All right, hi Bella. Thanks for checking in. I really like the work. I love 12 doing this on graph paper. I think that's a really good way to do it. That's the good answer there. Anyways, getting to the ones you were asking about. Question 9 looks really good. The only issue is right here on this step. Um, you want to multiply both sides by 2x. And the reason is this is like 5 divided by 2x. And so we want to get rid of the divide 2x, which is kind of weird because x will switch sides. But if you times it by 5, you'd have like 25 over 2x, right? And we wouldn't, it wouldn't look all that much simpler on this side. So what we want to do is multiply by 2x on both sides. Okay, so that the left-hand side becomes 20x, and the right-hand side, that cancels out the divide and times cancel out, giving you 5. Okay, and now just solve for x, so it's a times 20, so divide by 20, and x comes out to be 1/4, basically, or 0.25, I think. Okay, so there's your solution for 9. If I can scroll down, hopefully. Still trying to figure out how to use this thing here. Okay, so 13. 13 looks good. The only thing I can think is maybe don't round it so much. So the base is 9, and then 1.4649 is the exponent, right? And that'll equal x. And try that and see if we get a slightly different answer. So how can I do this quick? Try it in here. You can do 9 hat thing. I forget what it is already. 1. Let's see. 1.4649. 1.4649, I think is what it was. Okay, and so that comes out to be pretty close to 25. So I'm thinking that our answer here maybe just is rounded differently. I could check the answer key, but I would try a 25 there. Otherwise, the work looks okay. Just maybe don't round it so much early in the question. I think it's okay to round at the end, but if you round early on, sometimes that'll make your answers up by quite a bit. So that's the feedback I got for you. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a good day.